Hey guys, Brian here. As you can see, we've got something new. Well, not new to you, but new to us. It's shiny. Doesn't even have plates on it or decals. It's still got the dealership sticker in the window. What do we got? We've got a 2022 Freightliner Cascadia Day Cab. Some of our city fleet was getting a little worn and tired, so Ronan talked to management and ownership, and they decided to break open the pocketbook. And I guess they placed the order a couple of months ago. Well, the way they go these days, probably about a year ago. And we just took delivery of 2 of these. And we're just gonna give you a quick rundown. I know we've done a lot on the Cascadias between the one that I was doing the challenge in and a lot of the other videos where Ronan talks about the Cascadias, but we've got a 2022, it's the newest one. Our Highway 2022s haven't shown up yet, but they threw us a couple of these. So as you can see, other than the fact that there's no sleeper on this thing, they're pretty much built the same. The cabs are the same, chassis are the same. This one comes with the DD15, the Detroit. It comes with the DT12. It does not have the overdrive because it's a city truck. It doesn't require it. It's not doing a lot of highway miles. It is 455 horsepower, 1825 in torque. It has a 325 rear end in it. Our other trucks, all the other Cascadias, our highway units are all at 308. This is 325. Again, we don't need the highway gears because we're not running highway in these things. They're just tootling around the city, getting in and out of the tight spots. So it's got a 325 rear end in it. Other than that, they're pretty much the same. Lights are the same. This one, I was hoping would come with the new digital dashes. I know that our highway units, the 2022s, when they come, they will have the digital dashes in them. But this one does not. It just has the standard dash, and you've all seen that 100 times. We'll go up and take a look inside just so you can see the inside of a day cab. There's nothing really fancy about it. These are just base model trucks, okay? These are perfect for banging around the city, local P&D, pickup, delivery, in, out, all the tight spots. Anywhere that I don't want to go on a highway truck, these poor buggers here are going to be doing it in these. So let's take a walk around. One thing that ET does do, and I do appreciate this, is when they buy a new truck, they specifically make sure that they put good rubber on these things. These things come with the Michelins. These are the Michelin steers. These are the X lines. As far as I'm concerned, these are top of the line. This is the best that money can buy. It is a good tire. I've never myself had an issue driving with these tires. Great steer tire. Down the back, we've got the Michelin XDND2s. Again, this is as far as I'm concerned, again, my opinion, this is the best money can buy. This is the best tire on the market. It's great for highway. They do well in the snow. They do well in the summer. They're just an all-weather, really good tire. I like them. When I can afford them, I put them on my truck, but they are pricey. You are not looking at a cheap tire. These are not recaps, obviously. This is all virgin rubber. As you can see, we are missing a sleeper. There's no sleeper on this. This thing has a 234 wheelbase, so you can spin this thing on a dime. Don't tell Ronan, this is just between us, but I had it in the yard here when nobody was looking, and we did some donuts, and we took it around, and we played with it, and this thing's fun to drive. I forgot how much fun it is to drive a day cab. No, Ronan, I do not want to come work in the city for you. I am not doing that. But they are fun to drive. It turns well. Because it's new and everything hasn't been broken in on it yet, it's really torquey. Like I just touched the accelerator and I almost face planted myself. I was doing a bit like this with it. It's a fun truck. They're fun trucks to drive. I forgot how much fun they are. But again, because it's a city truck, you can notice our fuel tanks. We did not opt for the big, 135 or 140 gallon tanks. I think these are 75 gallons a side, so this thing holds 150 gallons. That's more than enough for what this thing is going to be doing. You'd probably have to fill this thing up twice a week. Okay, so and because you've already seen the inside of a Cascadia, guess what? You're going to see it again and again and again. Never mind. Let's take a look inside this thing. Being a day cab, again, I forgot how small they really are. I got into it and I was tootling around and playing in it. It is tiny inside there. When you kind of always think about when you're driving, especially me on the highway, I'm always thinking, you know, I always realize I've got over my shoulder, my home is back there. You look around in this thing, there's nothing there but a window. Although I thought the window was kind of cool when I was trying to back this thing up. I didn't have to use my mirrors. I could just look over my shoulder and back it up. But it's just a standard, you know, it's got the radio, AM, FM, CD, satellite. It's got your pressure gauges, and it's got the standard Cascadia dashboard on it. Other than that, it's nothing fancy. It's not built to be fancy. These things are built to be little workhorses, and that's pretty much what they've got here. They've got themselves a good little workhorse. And you know what? If it's maintained and it's taken care of well, there's no reason why this thing can't get 7-8 years worth of good use out of it before they decide to turn it in. Just so you can see in perspective, this one here is brand new, and it's beautiful and it's shiny and it's gorgeous. But if we just take a little teeny look around the corner here of this door, and we just look over there, that's what it's going to replace. There we go. I don't even know what year this thing is, but I know that it's tired and it's done its job and they got their money out of it, and this is what we're replacing. So there we go. We've got a 2022 Cascadia. Although I'm looking at it, you see that front grill cover. I think that would look, they don't need that. They don't need that on a day cab. City guys don't need those. My highway truck needs that though. I think that would look good on my truck. So Ronan, tomorrow morning when you come in and you look at your nice new shiny truck and it's missing a grill cover and I'm not here, guess where your cover is? Well, as long as we've got it here, let's see if the lights work. How ironic, how funny would that be, eh? We take delivery of a brand new truck and there's no lights. Oh, we got lights. All right, I guess they got the money they paid off. They got their money out of it. So there you go, guys. A quick look at a 2022 day cab that we just took delivery of. I might actually take a tootle around in this thing once there's plates on it and run it around the city and see what kind of work it actually will do, or see how good it actually works. And maybe we'll just throw something at you a little later. But for now, this is what we got. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, hit that notification button so next time we throw something up that you'll be notified. We'll see you down the road. How funny is it that we're filming a day cab and it's nighttime? That's the same as, why do they have a parkway? Why do you drive on a parkway and park in a driveway? I never got that either. A day cab, we're filming it at night. Okay, I guess that's the way the world works.